Hello and welcome back. This is Steve from Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. This is an in the post video and it's in the post number 46. Oh, excuse me. This here is a thing I get every year. I buy or I pre-order the 5 coins for the year for the women's series of the 25-cent coins. I get both the Philadelphia and the Denver mint ones, and these are they, and it is a lady called Uvita Ida, and she's the final coin within the series. Let me just go down a little bit. Now, this has been a 5 coin series this year. We had Bessie Coleman, who was an aviator, Maria Tallchief, who was a first prima ballerina that was a Native American. We had Edith Kawakaole, who's very much a Hawaiian woman who looked very much after her heritage and the dance and the chanting and all of that, and she took it across the world and showed it off. And the final one, the last one before Uvita Ida came on, was Eleanor Roosevelt. So this is the 5th of 5 that's going to be released this year, which is Uvita Ida. This is the 2nd year of the coin, so there have been 10 released so far. There are another 3 years of this particular series to run, so I will be pre-ordering 2024's coins very shortly. I've enjoyed this series immensely, and I will give you a full rundown of what, when I do the video of this for Uvita's coins, I will give you a full rundown of what she has achieved and what she did. Next I have 2 coins, come on, get out, that belong to the reign of who is it? Trying to remember his name. He was one of the final kings of Portugal, anyway. And these are 2 of the coins. Now, admittedly, I originally saw coins that were very similar to this. I don't know if they're exactly the same ones, but I saw that them very similar to the ones that one of the coins, and got me interested in this, was one that I saw on Mr. and Mrs. Snappy's channel. They pulled it out of one of their World Coin Hunts. So I thought, oh, that's interesting, and I went across and I looked at it and went onto eBay to see the sort of coins that were on sale and how much they were. I found a couple that I could afford, which are these 2 here, and they will be being made into a video coming your way very shortly, and they will be fully, I'll give you the full rundown during that coin, when we're looking at that coin, or looking at those 2 coins. I'll probably do both of them at the same time rather than have them separate. Now this one, I didn't even know existed until I went onto the channel that does Sundry Broughton coins, and I saw it. I think it was the post office and the Philatelical Bureau sends out a monthly or bi-monthly magazine showing the things that you can buy and what are available. And I saw this coin. It's a 50p coin, Charles III, and the coin's name is The End of an Era. and on the reverse you have King Charles III, as he is now, facing his mother's portrait of the late Queen. Now, I hadn't seen anything like this, and I'm surprised that the UK didn't bring out something similar to this, although we did have the memorial coin, which has of course went into circulation. So it's an unusual coin in the fact that you have the monarch and his predecessor both on the reverse of the coin. I think it's I personally like this coin very much, and I will be doing a more in-depth review in the short term. Finally, we've had people talking for a short while now about the wildlife series that the Isle of Man have done. It consists of a 5p, 10p, 20p, 50p, £2 and £5 coins. So 7 of them in total. I've managed to get my hands on 3 of them. The first one here is the scallop, or the £5 coin. It's the Queen's scallop. The Queen's scallop, that's what the animal's known as. The 10p there is which is this one, is a grasshopper. And the third one that I managed to get was a £1 one, which is a grey seal. I have got bids in for at least 2 of the others. I think it was the 20p and the 5p, which means say the two hardest ones to get are still outside of what I've bought and what I've put bids in on. Now, the set itself varies in price from sort of about £50 to £80 on the secondary market, which I think is just a little bit too rich. But even more disturbing, as far as I'm concerned, is that the 50p and £2 coin, which are, I think is, if I remember right, the 50p is a peregrine falcon, and the £2 coin is a basking shark. I saw these on sale on eBay for £50 each, which I thought was far too much money for those coins, when you can get a full set of 7 for less than just over that price. So we have 3 Isle of Man Wildlife Series coins, each of which I'll be doing a review on. We have the King Charles Gibraltar coin, which is called End of an Era, which shows him facing his mother on the obverse of the coin. We have 2 coins from the 1800s from Portugal, and we have the last for this year of the women's quarters from America. We have the 5th of the 5 coins, which is Jovita Ida. So that ends this particular in the post review. I will be doing all of these in their own videos, so you have that to look forward to, I suppose. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, I would love to get you to think about it, because I am trying to reach 250 by the end of this year of 2023. That's the target I set myself at the beginning of the year. I've currently just gone over 200. I am looking seriously at what I can do for a giveaway, but having just got over the 200 mark, I've not given it or made my final decision on what I'm going to give away. So please bear with me, and I'll get to that shortly. So until we meet up again, hopefully not too far into the distant future, If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again, from me, thank you for staying and watching right the way to the end, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.